In this video, let's begin setting up our TikTok ads. To do that, we have to go to tiktok.com/business, as you see here. Once you get to this page, they'll tell you how great their ads are, whatever. But you'll basically just create new. That's how you start your ad setup. And you choose a sign-up process for yourself. I'm going to sign up through email. Very standard so far. Enter your email. Choose your password. Then click send code. They're going to send you a verification code to your email. But before that, they have to check if you're human. I went to my email and they gave me a code, right? They sent me a code through my email that I provided. Then I go back to TikTok and I enter this code and I click sign up. Before I click sign up, just read this that you're agreeing to. Checkbox for, by clicking here, you agree to their terms of service. So yeah, you have to agree. And TikTok for Business will send you emails and messages. You might want to avoid it, like about their news, events. Basically, they're going to, for the most part, spam your inbox. So I would uncheck that, but if you want to get their emails, you can. So you can make an account here. You can also sign up with your TikTok. So I'll click sign up with my TikTok just because I already have an account. And you can choose any option that's convenient for you. I'll use my phone and email and username. I chose for them to send me a code. You see, they're going to send me a code. I'm going to enter it and I'm going to say login. Then they're going to ask me if I want to authorize TikTok for Business. I'm going to say authorize. Then they give you another form that you fill out. Then you fill it out. Then you click, by clicking here, you agree to their terms of service. Fine. Okay. Then you click yes, register. Then they give you a form to tell about your business. So the company website is my music website, because here I'm not promoting my books or courses or my business. I'm promoting my music TikTok. So I'm going to enter my music website. https www.touchedbyasong.com. Then they want you to enter their billing information. So your billing address, whatever that is for you. And I grayed out what I filled in just because I didn't want you to see my business address. But whatever it is, it may be residential for you. Just add that. You choose your payment, automatic or manual. Make your life easier if it's automatic. Just make sure that you stop it when you're ready so they don't keep taking money out. If you're worried about it, make it manual. Then they ask you if you want the simpler ad experience or the more complicated one with more bells and whistles. If you're just starting out, which is why you're watching this video, you want to choose the simplified one, and don't worry, you can switch anytime. So later you'll switch, but for now it'll be simple. And essentially they start taking you to the first campaign setup process. So you're no longer setting up your ad account. Now you're setting up your actual ad. And once you go through these steps, campaign, ad group, ad, and you click submit and you enter your payment information, your ad may begin to run if it doesn't have any problems. So we'll stop this video here because this video was about creating your account. And in the next video, we'll start creating an ad campaign.